everyone, my name is Shasmeen Sheikh and today I'm going to teach you how to make a book flip animation in PowerPoint. So here's the preview. So let us start. Open PowerPoint and click on a blank presentation. Delete the default text boxes that come onto the slide. Right click onto the slide and go to Format Background. Select Solid Fill, go to Color and go to More Colors. Let's choose a color for a background from the green side. You can just see the colors preview over here and then click on OK. After that, we have to just add a text box and then our text size should be 60, so just select 60 from the font group. Now here we have to type let's read a story. If you have your presentation on any other topic, you can just replace the text. Now select the text box. Then go to paragraph group and from there you have to just click on center. After that, select the text box and go to shape format. Go to text fill and go to more fill colors. For the text, let's choose a color from pink. So I like this color, so I will just click on OK. Now go to text outline, go to weight and set it as to 1/4 points. Now just adjust it into the middle of the slide. Now add a new slide and make it blank. Go to home and from the shapes gallery you have to take the rectangle. From the guide over here in the middle of the slide you have to draw the rectangle like this. Now go to shape format by selecting the rectangle. Now go to shape fill, more fill colors, go to standard and choose a color from yellow. So I would like to choose this color and then just click OK. After that, by selecting the rectangle, go to shape outline and just click on no outline. Now go to shape fill, gradient and set it as linear right. Go to home and insert a text box onto the rectangle. So here I am just making a book flip animation of a storybook. So now I will just write my story's name, that is R V Yet There. You can set the text size as you wish. So now let's add some effects onto the text too. Go to shape format. From word styles, let's choose our style from here. So I am just choosing this one. If you want to change its color, so go to text fill and let's choose it as blue accent 5, light of 40% and go to text outline and set it as black. You can just add the weight of the outline to 1/4 pt points and then go to home and align it into the center. Now let's add a picture from the story. So I have already taken the picture in a PowerPoint presentation, so I am just taking it. Over here we have the story dialog too. So let's just crop it by selecting the picture and going to picture format. Then select crop and then crop the picture. If you want, you can just resize it, and then I am going to put it over here. Now duplicate the slide and delete our story name, that is Are We Yet There, and the image. Then duplicate this rectangle by selecting it and then pressing Ctrl D and keep it over here. Now let's change the color of these two rectangles. So the first rectangle, which I have already selected, will be gold accent for darker 25%, and this will be orange accent to darker 25%. Now select the first rectangle, go to shape fill, gradient and linear left. Then the second one, and just go to shape fill, gradient and linear right, like this. Now we can just delete the guide. So go to view and uncheck this guides. So now let's come to our uploading of pictures onto our slides. So let's upload the first picture. So let's just press Ctrl V over here, resize it and just keep it over here. If you want, you can type the story too. So the first slide of a story is ready. Now duplicate the slide. Now let's delete the two pictures and just change the color too. Now select the first rectangle and change its color to blue accent 1, darker 25. You can just choose your colors too. Now the second rectangle will be from more fill colors, and I will take this color and then just click on OK. So now select the first rectangle and go to gradient, and then select linear left, and the second rectangle will be linear right, like this. Now let's add the pictures over here too. This, and then let's add the second picture onto the slide. I am just resizing it because it's way too big. Okay, so now we have to just press Ctrl and then select third and fourth slide. Go to transitions and add this transition, that is page curl. So go to the second slide and add the transition of curtains. So now let's check the preview. So our presentation is ready. So bye guys, subscribe, like and share my video, and do not forget to press on the bell icon. Bye.